Hi guys, it's Nicole, and today I am sharing a project from the December 2021 Flavors of the Month kit from the Scraproom. Normally, I would have some images of the kit at the very beginning of the video. However, I either didn't download them or I didn't save them where I normally save them. So I could not locate them when I went to edit this video. This layout was shared on the blog Monday, December 6th. I am behind in editing my videos, mostly because I feel like I'm a little bit behind in general as far as life goes. I looked at the calendar and realized today's the 9th, and I think I thought it was like the 3rd or the 4th. I think it was like December got here, and in my brain, time sort of stopped. It did not. It left without me, so now I'm kind of playing catch up. So today I'm going to be working with the Cartabella Home for Christmas collection, or at least the flavor from the kit. So always 2 cardstocks. In this case, it's black. 3 pattern papers are Fa La La Floral, Let It Snow, and Deck the Halls, and the full 12 by 12 sticker sheet. And then I'm also sharing the 2 papers that were in the pattern paper add-on. And then these are from the embellishment add-on. I wanted to share just because I was kind of surprised to see that it was a full pack of embellishments. So that was kind of cool. My layout, this is going to go quick. I've done a couple of these recently, and I have a couple other videos on my channel where I kind of document the holiday card that we sent out. Now that I'm thinking about the fact that it's the 9th of December, I don't know if I'm gonna mail holiday cards out this year, because I'm kind of like treading water at this point and just trying to be in the moment, get normal traditions kind of accomplished, finish up shopping, wrapping, that kind of thing. But I'm also just in full-on like hibernation mood. So I don't know if I'm going to even have one for this year. However, I am still scrapbooking and documenting previous year's cards that I did send out. So like this one, I want to say is probably 2019, maybe 2018. I can't remember. If the card comes back and I can see our outfits. But anyways, I basically pulled out a bunch of cards that I knew I had not worked with yet and kind of looked at the colors that was on the card template versus the colors of the different collections that were in December's kit. And I felt like the card design that I had picked matched this kit pretty well, as far as like it having black and more darker kind of holiday colors. So I felt like it was a perfect pairing. I don't really pay attention to the fact that our outfits have like pink and blues in them. It doesn't really bother me. I don't typically pick like Christmas colored outfits for our family photos, because I don't really want to look at family Christmas outfits for the whole year. So I just tend to go with whatever I can find at the store. So I just did a pretty simple kind of matted background. I did get that red plaid paper just because to me that red plaid paper is a really good basic, a really good B-side, and I liked the pattern on the other side. And I knew that if I was going to do more layouts with these kits, that I didn't want to waste a full sheet of paper only to then cover up the middle of it. So I did gut that and saved the middle. And I did go ahead and use my second sheet of black cardstock to mat the green pattern paper on. I felt like the green paper was just kind of getting lost, and I kind of wanted to just beef it up a little bit. And then from there, I just picked some things from the sticker sheet that I felt like didn't contrast with the theme or with the particular photo that I'm working with. Some of the stickers on the sheet to me represented more about like holiday decorating and things. So I just tried to kind of stick to more basic things. I liked the bench because of the fact that we were sitting on a bench in one of the photos. I used the little red mailbox because this is a card that's going in the mail, and just kind of picked a couple other stickers. And I just kind of filled in the bottom of that green area and did like a little tiny scene. From there, I kept it pretty simple, and I just went into my letter stickers and found these two different fonts, but they're both kind of in the same gold foil. And I'm just going to make a title out of that that's going to say Mary Mail. I suck at titles. I suck at thinking up titles. So if I can come up with something and I have enough letters for it, I try not to overthink it and I just go with it. Obviously, I would love to come up with some sort of, more than 2 words, very interesting, to where you can kind of have more play in letter stickers and stuff like that. When I scrapbook my holiday cards, it's kind of down and dirty and either simple or a little bit over the top as far as like a technique goes. In this instance, I was going with simple. I just kind of wanted a place, and I have mentioned in previous videos that normally I don't scrapbook a single photo. This is the exception kind of to that rule. And then my kids' school photos and photos with Santa, I would say, are the only other kind of layouts that I would do one photo of, if that makes sense. From there, I just did a quick journaling strip just to say that this was our holiday photo from, I think that's 2019. I can't read it. When I am trying to read stuff in my editing software, it looks blurry to me. By the time I render it and export it, it's clear. So you guys in the future watching this on YouTube can probably tell what that date is. I think it's 2019. A lot of times I can just kind of tell by like my kids and various like missing teeth of what year it was. So that was pretty much it. I did add some pink fresh like gold half-back pearls and scattered those here and there. I like to have something small like that on my layout just to kind of bring a little bit more interest into it. But yeah, I kept it simple. I've talked about this in the past. These layouts tend to go quick for me because the supplies have sort of already been curated and picked for me. So with that, I'm going to let you guys go here. As always, thanks for spending some time with me, and I will catch you again in a video later this week.